First, I want to start off. Let's give ourselves a round of applause, man. Recap on week one, especially today. Today, I'm up 50% on one of my trades. TSEM, Tower Semiconductor, and it shot up to 50% today, and I plan on closing it tomorrow. And then for LRCX, I was down, not knowing. I was down like 70%. It went from $98 to $91. The stock did. And then I didn't even know this, but I for sure knew it was going to bounce back because it beat earnings, and the market just had a huge drag that week, which this happened last week. It had a huge drag at the end of the week, man. So we are still down in the second trade, but we still have 2 weeks left. So it went from 80% to 40% in one day. So it's having a huge turnaround right now. Yeah, we need to hurry that up, man. The theta, that time decay in the trade, man, it's going to eat up. It's going to eat up your pay, man. You got to hurry up, man. But yeah, man, I'm feeling good, That this is week one. Week one is ended. We are on to week two, man. I'm winning in one trade and I am down on the other. All right? I am winning on one trade, but I am going to close this trade to Maje. I'm going to close it tomorrow. We're not done, though. We're not done. We still got the other one to worry about, but I'm sticking to my trading plan. I know where it's going to go. I'm not worried. I know where it's going to go. It starts with the mind, the body follows. I know where the trade is going to go. I'm confident, I'm very confident in my trading plan. So, yeah, man, everything's looking good, but I could show you what happened in the market these past couple days. And let's do that. The bulls came in running it up, and then a whole bunch of consolidation happened right here. And then it pulled back down, bearish. Boom, I got in right here, thinking it was going to go up. Came all the way down, shot back up, man. Shot back up, So we basically TP. And when it passed down here, this red box, this is where I was not paying attention. But TSEM also had earnings, and I knew it was going to beat it. So it beat earnings. Earnings is not a part of my strategy also. It was just a coincidence that I found out. Anyway, it had earnings and it beat earnings as I predicted because it beat its last 3 earnings. It's very consistent. This is a very growing stock, and I think I predict that it's also going to break this structure right here. It kind of is already, but yeah, man. This is the one that TP'd me. For LRCX, man, we had I entered. Where did I enter? I entered right here. Had this crazy pullback. Then climbed back up, man. So that's what we were waiting for. We're waiting for this right here to climb all the way back up here. Boom. Do the same thing. They're both in the same sector. They both beat earnings. Yeah, man. Future reference, I do recommend have a risk management plan when it comes to things like this. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention, and thankfully I held because I wasn't panicking. But at the end of the day, you want to have a risk management plan when it comes to exiting a trade, such as if you're down 50%, 60%, 80%, it doesn't matter. But yeah, man, the options trade looking good, man. We still got 2 weeks left, so for it to do something here, and it might shoot right here, bounce back, then come up. It could do that also. You paying no car insurance, and you just rolling on my desk. Crazy work. You too, G-Wagon. Now, I will talk to you about the trades that I'm also looking to get into by whenever I sell my contracts. Sell to close. and what other stocks I'm looking into, man. So let's get into that next. Another one I'm looking at is XOM. You could see this repeated pattern. It repeated 3 times. Got a bullish retracement, bullish retracement, bullish retracement. Now, it could potentially do it a 4th time, and if it does, or if I see an entry signal, I will also looking to get in right here, somewhere along these lines. And let me see. Yep, somewhere along these lines, and I will put my TP somewhere right here. Yeah. But the fact that it just did that 3 times is crazy. Like, this is a clear sign that it's not going anywhere. And the RSI is good. It's at 49%. Another one I'm looking to get into is Palantir. Palantir signed that $10 billion contract. I don't know if you guys saw that or looked into that. They have signed that $10 billion contract. They are definitely going to shoot up also. And I was looking for a retracement to get in. It's currently bullish right now, so I might wait for another retracement. But Palantir is also another one I'm looking into when it comes to getting in. And yeah, it's looking good, man. I like AMD. I just want to let you know, like, through the ups and downs, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep going, man. You gotta keep going. I was down last week. I was down on both trades. Right? And I knew a turnaround was going to happen. I didn't panic, and I knew a turnaround was going to happen. I just didn't know when. Right? I had plenty of time. When I put the contract in for both trades, I had about 2.5, almost 3 weeks for something to happen. So just put your mind to it. Be confident, man. Be confident. I was down on both trades, and I'm still talking to you guys. It would be totally wrong for me, or anybody, if you're not hitting the goals as fast as you want to. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop making videos. I would have to pivot, recirculate what I'm doing, go over research, and just figure out what I could correct. Correction is key when it comes to having a trading plan. But your mindset is super key. Because at the end of the day, this is 80% psychology. 80% psychology. So, like I said, LRCX, I still got some time on that one. And I just wanted to keep you guys updated. We are in week 2. Week 2 of options trading, man. Week 2. Like I said, I'm just proud of my mentor. And because having a mentor is important, but having a mentor that you're close with is even more important. So yeah, man, I just hope you guys take initiative into moving forward, and I'm just trying to show you guys that anything is possible when it comes to putting your mind to it and showing effort and showing up for it consistently, man. So definitely take note of that. Almond milk, just go crazy. Get this from Sprouts. You gotta top it off with some honey, bro. Let me know when to stop. Hey, say what's up to the video.
What's good, my peeps? As you can see, another day, another dollar. You know, daily routine, staying consistent. That's all I gotta say.
Nah, fact. Early, 9:54, about to be 10 p.m. Let's keep going. The grind does not stop. We're gonna keep going. The grind will not stop. I promise you. Let's keep going. Let's do this.